Hello, welcome back to my channel, Mama Kikendi Kitchen. On today's video I want to make chicken biryani. But just use simple steps so that anytime you want to prepare yours, at least you can follow the recipe. So for those who are new, welcome, watch other videos, and remember to subscribe. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos. I don't to 1,000 subscribers. Kindly subscribe. Don't watch without subscribing. Let's get started. First I'm going to portion it and then I will boil because it's kienyeji, for it to be a bit soft. That's my chicken. I've already boiled it. And then for the biryani, the ingredients, I have chopped tomatoes, I have dhania to garnish, I have plain yogurt, I have onions, a salt, that is a cardomon, that is iliki, all iliki. This one it's a cloves, karafu, that is the karafu. I have also spices here. There is garam masala, there is a cardomon spice, there is a tumeric, chicken masala. There's so many. And then this one is a tomato paste, and then I'll also need crushed garlic and ginger, I think salt, cooking oil, and the chicken, rice. Yeah, so for exact ingredients I'm going to leave them at the description box. So this is the cooking oil. I want to brown the onions here first. Golden brown. So you keep on turning them. Make sure your onions do not overcook because they will be bitter. But these ones not yet. For them to have like this color here. We are going to go. So you drain them. Now I want to prepare my chicken here. I've just added the cooking oil here. So I'm going to add onions, spices, then the rest will follow. So guys, this recipe is so simple for beginners. I think nothing is complicated here. So hapa tunapika kuku. Nataka kusweti kitunguu. And then I'll add salt. Cooking it's an art, lazima tu niongeze crushed garlic and ginger, lazima. So if you want to make this and you don't have the spices, you can omit, but make sure the mwambasani spices ziko. Karafuu na iliki, and even the yogurt. So, and crushed garlic and ginger. Then you stir until it cooks. And tomatoes and the tomato paste. And then after 2 minutes, I'm going to add my spices. Mpaka hizo nyanya ziive. Just cover so that the tomatoes can cook fast. So now I'm going to add my spices. Look how the taste is. So I'm going to cover for 1 minute so that the spices can cook well. So we are going to add in our chicken. Basi nitakoroga kuku. Nafunika nipike like 2 minutes. Then I'll add my yogurt. Now I add my yogurt. Then nitakoroga. Then nitangoja ive ndio isikue na sourness. So napika mchele hapa. Hiyo mafuta iko na some particles because it's the same I used to cook my onions. So don't judge me you. Hapa nimeweka cloves and the cardomon. Karafuu and iliki. So tukingoja mchele haitaiva complete like 80%. And because we are going to add it onto our chicken. We partially add our onions at this point before we add the rice, which is partially cooked. Okay, this is the rice, and then this is my kuku. So this is what I will do. Long grace is the best rice. Yangu ni short. So we are going to cover with a foil and then we'll cook at a low heat. Our biryani now is ready. So at this point I'm going to add my egg yellow, food color, I've just diluted my egg yellow with just the stock that I used. So I'll garnish with the rest of the onions and dhania. If you have the mint, the better. Mint leaves. Guys, that's my simple chicken biryani. Hope you have enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching my video. Yata hakuna haja ya kijiko, just can use your hands.